A big welcome to all of you. I hope all of you are doing really well. Student, आपने कभी सुना होगा that whatever happens for the best or everything which happens for the best. अक्सर ये कहावत सुनी ना, जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए ही होता है. So this chapter is all about everything is for the best. तो देखते हैं इस chapter में story में क्या बताया गया है. Why everything is for the best. Okay. Let's get started. Rohan has been lost this way in the jungle. Help him slide the way. Values learned. This story is about a king and his minister. The minister was used to saying everything is for best. The king did not agree with him, but one day he agreed to the minister. How? Let's read the story. So very interesting story. ये है, इसमें किंग और मिनिस्टर की ये कहानी है जिसमें मिनिस्टर हमेशा कहता था कि एवरीथिंग इज़ फॉर बेस्ट, जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. तो किंग उससे अग्री नहीं करता है, बट एक पॉइंट ऐसा आता है जहाँ पे वो उससे अग्री करता है. ओके, तो देखते हैं कैसे वो अग्री किया. In ancient times, there was a rich and powerful king who ruled over a vast kingdom. Vikrant Singh was his advisor as well as close friend. Karma lords brought daily wealth into his capital, and his kingdom was well administered by his ministers under the guidance of Vikrant Singh. The only irritation the king sometimes suffered was to see the ills of famine, epidemic, and wars, which men seemed unable to wait. He could not reconcile this with Vikrant Singh's oft repeated belief that everything is for the best. When challenged, the minister would reply that such burdens ennoble man's nature and teach him wisdom so bringing mankind slowly towards perfection. So ancient time की बात है, बहुत ही रिच और पावरफुल किंग था जो एक बहुत बड़े साम्राज्य को जिसको रूल करते थे, और इनके एडवाइज़र थे विक्रांत सिंह जो उनके क्लोज फ्रेंड भी थे. ओके, सो वैसे तो जो किंगडम था वेल एडमिनिस्टर्ड था, फ्लोरिश था. ओके, बट हाँ कई बार जैसे कि एपिडेमिक, वॉर्स ये सब हो जाती थी, या कई बार सूखा पड़ जाता था, महामारी हो जाती थी. सो इन चीज़ों से जो राजा था वो थोड़ा सा इरिटेटेड रहता था. ओके, और एक और चीज़ जो मिनिस्टर था विक्रांत सिंह, वो हमेशा बोलता था एवरीथिंग इज़ फॉर द बेस्ट, जिससे किंग बिल्कुल भी अग्री नहीं करता था. ओके, the man was optimistic to the core and no hardships in life had any discouraging effect on him because he would always look at the positive side of the word adversity. He would think of the benefits that could be derived from adversities. In fact, this particular trait was so prominent in him that others around him very often got tired of his repeated belief. One day, the king and Vikrant Singh went out riding on a hunting expedition to a dense forest. They pursued a deer in the forest and were soon lost deep in the jungle. Feeling thirsty and hungry, they began to look for water. At length, they discovered a solitary wood apple. When the king tried to cut the apple, as luck would have it, the sword slipped from his hand and he cut off his finger. The king let out a piercing cry of pain. He was aghast when he saw the bleeding finger. A minister who came running asked the king, "What's the matter, Your Majesty?" The king pointed to his severed finger and the sword that lay on the ground. Picking up the sword, the advisor, in his characteristic way, was about to say his favorite statement. "So everything is for the best, isn't it?" asked the king ironically. The advisor was as calm as ever. With due respect, he answered, "Yes, Your Majesty. It may be a blessing in disguise. Take it from me, something good is going to come out of this apparent tragic incident. God has willed it this way, so we should not complain." Okay, so विक्रांत सिंह जो था बहुत ही ऑप्टिमिस्टिक था, बहुत ही आशावादी था, और जितनी भी जो वर्स्ट एडवर्सिटी होती थी उसमें से भी वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव साइड देखता था. ओके, सो एक दिन राजा और जो विक्रांत सिंह है वो हंटिंग एक्सपेडिशन पे जाते हैं एक बहुत ही घने जंगल में, और वहाँ पे एक जो राजा होता है ना वो एप्पल को कट करने की कोशिश करता है, बट क्या होता है कि सॉर्ड उसके हाथ से, तलवार स्लिप हो जाती है, उसकी उंगली कट जाती है, उसके बाद उसमें से ब्लीडिंग होना शुरू हो जाती है. तो राजा विक्रांत सिंह को बोलते हैं कि क्या अगेन उससे सेम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, एवरीथिंग इज फॉर बेस्ट. सो वो कहता है बिल्कुल. सो वो कहता है कि इसमें भी हो सकता है कि इट मे कम एज अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज. ओके, सो मुझे लगता है कि कुछ अच्छा ही इसमें से होने वाला है, तो हमें कंप्लेन नहीं करनी चाहिए. तो the king couldn't believe what his advisor had said. He couldn't comprehend how the loss of his finger could be a blessing. The distraught king was sure his courtier was making fun of him. In his fury, the king ordered Vikrant Singh out of his sight. Seeing that he had indeed enraged the king, Vikrant Singh had no choice but leave the king alone. In his hunger and pain, the king fell into an uneasy sleep. As he lay at the foot of a tree, he was discovered by the tribesmen of the jungle, who in the last day of their great annual festival were seeking a sacrificial victim for the tiger goddess. They were delighted to find such a handsome victim. They seized the king, bound his hands and feet and carried him away. The warriors were in their colorful costumes with plumes and holding the spears upright in reverence to their royal prisoner. They marched to their chief's palace on stilts. The tribal soldiers presented their booty to the chief, who judged that the prisoner was indeed of royal blood. He was pleased with his minions' prize catch. He decided that blue blood would be an excellent offering to the supreme deity. Therefore, he sent for the tribal priest and old men, who came in soon afterwards. As was the custom, the tribal priest had to approve of all offerings to the deity. It was his duty to see that each offering was perfect in all respects. Seeing that a king was going to be the object of sacrifice on that day, the priest did not inspect the prisoner from head to toe. Instead, he ordered that the process be started without delay. They took the king to their altar. After some wild dancing, the final sacrificial preparation began with the smearing of red and yellow powder over the victim's forehead, feet and hands. However, it was during the anointing of the body that the old priest noticed that something was missing. One of the fingers of the king's left hand was missing. He shook his head and said in his sonorous voice, "I'm sorry, Your Royal Highness, we cannot proceed with the sacrifice. The deity will accept only those who are whole-bodied. The body should not have any blemishes. The prisoner's body is imperfect and it is not fit for offering to the deity." The tribesmen fled in horror, for they had nearly presented an imperfect sacrifice and feared the wrath of the goddess. As the king hobbled away as fast as his legs could carry him, he realized that the loss of his finger had indeed been for the best. But what of not having his minister's company at the time of danger? Was that for the best? Yes, said Vikrant Singh later, for if he had known of the king's peril, he would have come to the king's aid and been overcome by the numerous tribesmen, thus serving as a substitute victims. So everything was for the best after all. Okay, so जब जो किंग है उसकी एक फिंगर को लूज कर देता है, तो जब उसका एडवाइजर कहता है कि एवरीथिंग इज फॉर द बेस्ट, तो किंग को बड़ा गुस्सा आता है. वो कहता है कि और उसको ऑर्डर देता है कि तुम मेरी नज़रों से दूर चले जाओ. ओके, सो उसके बाद अब राजा को भूख भी लगी थी, पेन भी हो रहा था, तो उसको नींद आ गई. और जब नींद से खुला तो कुछ ट्राइब्स मैन ने उनको घेर के रखा हुआ था और वो उसको पकड़ के लेके चले गए, क्योंकि उनको एक सेक्रीफिशियल विक्टिम मिल गया था उनके टाइगर गॉडेस के लिए. तो वो लेके गए. उन्होंने कलरफुल कॉस्ट्यूम्स पहने हुए थे वॉरियर्स ने, उनके स्पीयर्स उन्होंने होल्ड करके रखे हुए थे. तो अपने प्रीस्ट को बुलाते हैं, और क्योंकि जो भी जब ये सेक्रीफिशियल प्रेपरेशन करते हैं तो इनको चेक करना पड़ता है कि जो कोई भी चीज़ मिस ना हो. तो उन्हें लगा ये तो राजा है ना, और रॉयल ब्लड है, तो इनकी जो गॉडेस है काफ़ी खुश होंगी. तो उसके बाद ये क्या करते हैं कि अब जो फाइनल प्रेपरेशन थी वो स्टार्ट होनी शुरू हो गई. उन्होंने रेड येलो पाउडर लगा दिया राजा के फॉरहेड पे, फीट पे, हैंड में. सो इस टाइम पे जो प्रिस्ट होता है वो देखता है कि अरे इसकी एक फिंगर तो मिसिंग है. ओके, सो प्रिजनर की जो बॉडी थी वो इम्परफेक्ट थी, क्योंकि वो डीटी को ऑफर नहीं कर सकते थे, क्योंकि एक परफेक्ट बॉडी का होना बहुत ज़रूरी था. ओके, सो फिर जो ट्राइब्समैन हैं वो सारे डर जाते हैं कि अब उन्हें गॉडेस का जो गुस्सा है वो झेलना पड़ेगा. ओके, उसके बाद जो किंग जो है अपनी जान बचाकर वहाँ से भागे, जितना तेज़ वो दौड़ सकते थे उतना दौड़े. फिर उन्हें सच में अपने मिनिस्टर्स, उन्होंने याद आ गया कि जो उनके मिनिस्टर ने कहा था ना, एवरीथिंग इज़ फॉर द बेस्ट. अगर उनकी फिंगर होती तो आज तो उनका सेक्रीफाइस हो चुका होता, उनका बलिदान हो गया होता. लेकिन क्योंकि उन्होंने उनकी फिंगर उन्होंने लॉस कर दी थी, इसकी वजह से वो बच गए. लेकिन फिर उन्हें याद आया कि अगर मिनिस्टर भी उनके साथ होता तो क्या वो भी बेस्ट होता? वॉज दैट फॉर द बेस्ट? सो विक्रांत सिंह बाद में उन्हें बोलते हैं, बिल्कुल हाँ, अगर मैं आपके साथ होता तो वो क्या करते कि वो आपको तो छोड़ देते, लेकिन बदले में मुझे वो एज अ सब्सटीट्यूट विक्टिम मेरा सेक्रीफाइस करवा देते. ओके, सो एवरीथिंग वॉज फॉर द बेस्ट आफ्टर ऑल. Moral learned, we should be optimistic and believe in God's justice. हमें हर सिचुएशन में ऑप्टिमिस्टिक रहना चाहिए, हमेशा गॉड के जस्टिस पे भरोसा रखना चाहिए. Let's practice comprehension. Multiple choice questions. A. Tick the correct option. Number 1. Vikrant Singh was an advisor of king, the king himself, C. the prime minister of king, and the army chief of king. And the answer is A option, advisor of king. B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Karma loads brought daily dash into his capital. और यहाँ पे आंसर होगा wealth. Okay. C. Answer the given questions. So few questions are given over here. You have to answer them. D. Use the correct form of the word in brackets to fill in the blanks in the following sentence. The first one has been done an example. Okay. Number 1, my friend is a person of dash and has a positive attitude even in times of hardships. And bracket में word is given optimistic. So यहाँ पे आएगा my friend is a person of optimism. Okay. E, read the short paragraphs, use the words given in the boxes and fill in the blanks in each case. Okay. So यहाँ पे देखिए बच्चों, आपको दिया गया है short paragraphs दिए गए हैं, आपने उनको पढ़ना है और जो आपके पास ये words हैं इनकी help से अपने blanks को fill करना है. Okay. So first one is rain and rain. There was heavy rain that day. R-E-I-N. The king who began his dash only a few months back decided to tour his kingdom in disguise. Okay, so यहाँ पे आएगा the king who began his dash only a few months back decided to tour his kingdom in disguise. So यहाँ पे आएगा rein, R-E-I-G-N, rein. He mounted his horse and took the reins, R-E-I-N-S, in his hand and off he went into the darkness. So इसी तरह से आपके पास 2 short paragraphs और भी बहुत सारे short paragraphs हैं. Okay, तो इनको आपने read करना है और word जो है आपके given है उन्हें आपने fill करना है. Okay, grammar workshop. Read the following sentences. The king took the sword to cut the wood apple. He went deep into the jungle to shoot a deer. The to infinitive is a non-finite form of verb. One of the most common uses of the to infinitive is to show purpose, as in the examples above. In those examples, the to infinitive answers the question why. Read the following passage, fill in the blanks using suitable to infinitives of the verbs given in the box. The captain stopped midway to dash instructions to his team. देखिए, to give instructions to his team. Okay, so similarly you will fill other blanks. Okay. B, fill in the blanks with the suitable form of the verbs given in the box. The first one has been done as an example. Number 1, a driver uses the key to start his car. A mechanic uses nuts and bolts dash the machine to fix the machine. Okay. C, use the appropriate form of the given verbs and fill in the blanks. The babysitter had just reached the house dash the children. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? To look after the children. Okay. Conversation. Gauri is telling Rita about her holiday trip. Read the dialogue in pairs and practice a conversation. Okay. So Gauri Rita को अपने holiday trip के बारे में बता रही है. आपने dialogues को read करना है pairs में और practice करना है. Okay. So do practice of this conversation. Right.